Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a haul video and it's going to be a Nykaa haul video. Nykaa recently had their Pink Friday sale and मैंने को शॉप किया है. Here are some products that I'm going to show you. कुछ products missing है because I didn't get them delivered. ये मुझे 4-5 दिन में ही deliver हो गए थे. So I was waiting for the other products to get delivered and then मैं video बनाऊंगी. But it's been 14 days now and I haven't received the product yet. I don't know why. Nykaa में पहली बार हुआ है. Otherwise मुझे हर समय products 4-5 दिन में मिल जाते हैं. So I thought why not make the video first and बाकी के products को देखते हैं. अगर वो आता है then I'll make a video. And don't mind my puffy face, sleepy eye and oily hair. It's Sunday, so I oil my hair and the sleepy eye and puffy face इसलिए है क्योंकि it's really early in the morning. It's 7:17. I woke up sometime back, but I'm trying to look presentable as possible. So yeah, without any further ado, let's start with the haul. Okay, let's start with the restock product जो मैं रेगुलर यूज करती हूँ जो खत्म हो गया है और मैंने इसे रिस्टॉक किया है. First up, this is 2 serum from Foxtail. This is the vitamin C serum and this is the retinol serum. ये दोनों मैंने पहले वीडियोस में दिखाया हुआ है. And the next is Hyphen का toner. This is the Silky toner. ये मैंने अब तक खोला नहीं है because जो मेरे पास अभी है उसमें थोड़ा सा बचा है. Let me finish that first. Next is also vitamin C serum. This is the minimalist vitamin C serum. This is what my mom used. They have a super oily skin. ये liquidy है, so yeah, this goes well with her skin. The Foxtail one, it's creamy. Though I have a combination skin, but winter में थोड़ा सा dry होता है, so I want something moisturizing. This is really moisturizing, so that is why I got this one. Okay, so अब तक मैंने जो भी products दिखाया है उनका मैं डिटेल में रिव्यू नहीं देने वाली हूँ because मैंने previously बहुत इनके बारे में बोला है. I think the same thing, you know, but yes, they are really good product. इसलिए तो मैं उनको बार-बार repurchase कर रही हूँ using them regularly. If you have a combination skin, you can obviously try this. Otherwise, अगर आपका dry skin है तो आप summer में use कर सकते हो because जितना भी मेरा products है, I always see कि they are very much moisturizing and जिसका normal skin है या फिर जिसका super oily skin है, you can try these products in the winters because obviously then your skin will be dry and you can try these products. So next is something that I order every winter to smell good, to smell like a bakery. See, winter में ना smelling like bakeries, cozy is something that I want and this is the plum body oil and it in vanilla vibe. इसका smell बहुत ही अच्छा है. But the thing is कि I think पहले जो bottles आते थे that smell really strong and एक दो drop पे ही you know the whole room can feel the smell. But अभी I think smell का जो density I think वो कम हो गया है. And another one is this. ये bottle I got this for free पहले. I like it so I got it one, but इसमें नहीं है because when I open it मेरे हाथ से गलती से गिर गया था and I broke the bottle, new bottle. तो मैंने फिर से मंगवाया है. Talking about this, you're gonna smell delicious and the fragrance is gonna last in the body for really long. So if you want to smell yummy, this is the combo that you need. So what I do is मेरे पास coconut vanilla का एक body scrub है. I use that. उसके ऊपर मैं sunscreen lotion plus combining this with the lotion use करती हूँ and then I spray this fragrance and it smells so delicious like a cupcake, like you're straight away walking out from a bakery. You know, if you want a fragrance to last in your body for really long, तो आपको एक note select करना होगा and उसके basis पे आप यूज करोगे अपने प्रोडक्ट्स लाइक शावर जेल, बॉडी स्क्रब, योर लोशन, ऑयल, परफ्यूम सारे उस नोट के सराउंडिंग में होना चाहिए which helps the perfume to last really long. Okay, so let's move on to the products that I have purchased for the first time. I'll be using them for the first time and actually मैंने इन्हें यूज किया हुआ है because as I told you मेरा प्रोडक्ट्स बहुत टाइम पहले आ गया था, so I have used them and this is not gonna be your regular मैंने ये ऑर्डर किया है वो ऑर्डर किया है. It is gonna be about the product details. I'm gonna review the products as well. Starting with body lotion, I have ordered this body lotion. This is the Whisker body lotion with SPF 50 PA+++. It have niacinamide and ceramide and coconut seed and raspberry. I wanted body lotion जिसमें SPF 50 हो या SPF 50+ and I got this one. This is really nice. This is what I use with my vanilla का oil. Best thing, it don't have fragrance which I like, but इसका जो कैप है ये टूटा हुआ आया है. That is why I always have to open it and use it. इसका पंप जो है it's not working, like it's not working at all. Even if I turn right left, it's not working at all. इसका texture जो है it's kind of little thick, not very thick but a little thick, not very liquidy also. इसको summer में I won't be able to use. I don't like thick lotions in summer. I like to go very light, but winter में you can definitely give this a try. Above all those, it have ceramide, niacinamide, good ingredients and SPF 50 as well. Next is a roll-on from Plum and it's in vanilla vibe. The same with this. That is what I was saying. Same fragrance लेना. So that जो आपका fragrance का power है enhance होके आए. Previously मैंने कुछ roll-ons try किए हैं like Whisker. I don't know, it's very hype up but I don't like it. But I prefer this over all of those. Plus it have good ingredients as well. Hear me out. 1% glycolic acid and 4% lactic acid. So it's getting rid of your dark underarm. It's getting rid of your odor. Plus it's making you smell really good. इनका Hawaii Rumba में भी एक है which I use in summer. And whoever used the Plum Hawaii Rumba, you know how it smells. It smells really nice. Next is the Bella Vita का fragrant in Date Woman. मैंने कभी Bella Vita का try नहीं किया. Fragrant this is the first time I'll be trying. I smell cozy vanilla dark smell. सब एक ही रेंज में जा रहे हैं, vanilla में ही जा रहे हैं. Not the sweet one, very cozy and woody smell वाला vanilla. It is giving me that smell. So wintry. It costs $3.99 price range के हिसाब से. This can be any high-end brand. Plus it lasts really long. Next product is this Rene का Volute Filler Primer. This I got for my mom. First of all, it's so small. इसका बड़ा size भी है, but I got the small one just to test कि if it's working or not. It don't help out with the pore, but अगर आपका fine lines है, it's gonna blur you out. It kind of gives that blurred effect. My pores are still visible using this, so yeah, I will not say कि ये pore के लिए. Now let's move on to the freebies. My most exciting part of the haul. First of all, दो freebies जो कि मुझे पूरा का पूरा full size में मिला is this too. This is the Plum Alpha Arbutin Serum. Now Alpha Arbutin are good for pigmentation. I do have pigmentation. कैमरा में इतना visible नहीं हो रहा होगा, but I do have some pigmentation. And इसका जो quantity है, it's 30 ml like any other serum. 30 ml में mostly आता है. So yeah. Good thing, right? And next I got this Foxtail moisturizer for free as well, the full size moisturizer. It's their Pure Bliss Nourishing Moisturizer. It has niacinamide, hyaluronic acid and coconut butter. I've already used this and I like it, but winter में ये मेरे skin के लिए थोड़ा सा light हो रहा है, but for summer it's definitely something I would use and recommend. Next are these small freebies that I got from Plum Minimalist and Plum again. Starting with the Minimalist one, it's a moisturizer. It's their B12 plus Repair Complex Moisturizer. It have vitamin B12, ceramide and betaine. It says it repair barrier and smoothen out skin. मैंने इसका texture try किया है. The texture is very nice. Summer के perfect है and also यहाँ पे उतना winter है नहीं in my place, so it's working for winter as well. About the results I don't know because मैंने सिर्फ 2-3 बार ही use किया है. 2-3 बार में you cannot see the result. You can just see how it feels on your skin and it feels really nice and it's first of all it's not irritating my skin. Next is the Plum का moisturizer. It's their Zero Sense moisturizing cream with ACA and NMF 1%. It says it's for dry skin. I have tried it, but it's working for me. Though I have a combination skin, I don't feel it's kind of thick. Rather, I feel it's very moisturizing. About the result, I don't know because मैंने इसे 2-3 बार use किया है, but it feels great on the skin. No heaviness, no breaking of skin barrier whatsoever, no any irritation, anything else. So yeah, I can give this a try. Next is this toner. This is the Zero Sense Milky Toner. Same, it's the same thing. ये toner है and this is the moisturizer. And this feels really nice. Summer के लिए it's perfect. Winter के लिए it's light on me. But for oily skin people, you can definitely check this out. You are gonna love this. It works fine for my mom though. She's using it. It's kind of milky. It will be fine for oily skin, super oily skin, and normal people. But I prefer my toner to be kind of a little thick. So yeah. This is kind of watery, but still I like it. So that is all about this haul. These are all the products that I got from Nykaa. Also guys, there's another product that I wanted to show you. This is not from Nykaa. This is a separate product that I got from their website. So I'm talking about Russ. It's a luxury Indian brand. This is what all I got from them. मैंने सिर्फ एक ही product order किया है, बाकी के सारे free products हैं. So first of all, this thank you note. First thing, they smell so good. When I opened the box, smell was so luxurious, like Indian smell but royalty wala smell. And I'm telling you, if they come up with a perfume of theirs, they're gonna break the market because it smells so good, so royal, so luxurious, so Indian. Like the smell is almost like the Forest Essential ka smell. I'm telling you, Russ, you should come up with your perfume brand. Packaging is super nice. This is what I ordered actually. मैंने वही use किया है अभी and that's why my hair look oily. The packaging is also so royal. Look at this bottle. So this is the Russ Luxury Skin Routine. Here, I don't know how to pronounce this. Alisar? Here, Alisar. Okay, whatever. This is the new product, I believe, because इनका सिर्फ 2 ही hair products थे, this and another one. This cost me 1,690 for 50 ml. With this, I got the other products free. The best saving moisturizers and night cream. So first of all, इसे उन्होंने कहा है कि you can use this as a night treatment, a pre-shower treatment, or post-shower treatment. But I think you should use it as a night treatment or a pre-shower treatment, but not as your post-shower treatment because then your hair is gonna look oily like it's looking right now. इसलिए मैंने बाल को ऐसे रखा है. So yeah, this is it. I'm not gonna review this product now. मैंने first time use किया है, आज ही मैंने use किया है. So when I have completed the bottle, then only I'm gonna give the review. Next, we have this pouch. Inside this pouch, we have free products. This is the Rose Nectar Face Mist and Toner. Next, we have face oil. I've never used a face oil. This is gonna be the first time I'm gonna use a face oil. This is their Essence Toner, and this is their Super Churros Multivitamin Day Cream, which I got for free. I always wanted to try this. This is the Polishing Up Brightening and Exfoliating Face Cleanser, but it's in the powder form. I don't know. Face cleanser powder form hota hai kya? Why? Okay, whatever. I'm gonna use all of this product and I'm gonna give the review. Other thing that we have in the box are this pouch, speaker pouch hai. And the best thing that I got is this pillow cover. So this is the pillow cover that I got. ये satin fabric का है. It smells so nice. It's not a cheap quality though. It's a really nice quality. It smells so nice. देख रहे हो, free products. This is called smart shopping. Shopping में हमेशा ऐसे वैसे टाइम पे नहीं करना चाहिए. Shopping हमेशा सेल्स के टाइम पे करना चाहिए. So that you get free products. Like look at the moisturizers I got. मुझे 4 moisturizers free में आ गया है. Look at the free moisturizers that I have with me. This is gonna last me for the next 6-7 months. I don't even have to buy a moisturizer for myself. That is called smart shopping. Okay. Do you know how much they cost? इनका 10 लेने जाओ ना, it will cost me more than 1,000. I got them for free. A quick update, you guys. So starting of the video में मैंने बोला था कि I have another person from Nykaa that I haven't received yet. वो मुझे अब तक नहीं मिला है. And the new person ने मुझे contact नहीं किया अब तक. जितना भी contacts हुआ है वो Nykaa की तरफ से हुआ है. And they always ask me if I want the product or not. And I always say yes. I obviously want them because I bought them in a great deal. They were from Elf Cosmetics, and you guys know Elf is kind of expensive. So मुझे great deals में मिल रहा था products buy one get one में. So I bought some products from them. But अब देखो ये दिखा गया है कि my area doesn't fall under the service zone, which is funny because I am not ordering from Nykaa for the first time. I've been ordering them since quite a long time now, from years, and suddenly they say that my area doesn't fall under their service zone. And इतने अच्छे deals मिलने के बाद भी you are not getting the product. It's so not done. Anyways, as much as I haven't received the product will not be in this video. So that's all for today's haul. There's no enough new products in this haul anymore. Okay, time to say goodbye and Merry Christmas in advance. See you in my next vlog. Bye!